Good morning, folks. I wanted to share a quick video here on a question I had recently. So let's say you get some form submissions and you're getting them in different lowercase or uppercase. In this example, the client needed to convert all of the first part of the email address, the name part before the @ symbol, to all uppercase to match something they were doing in Looker Studio, and Looker Studios was using the uppercase version, but the form was submitting in lowercase. Anyway, in order for them to use Looker Studio's email authentication, they had to modify this. So here's the formula that I built that helps them convert this to all uppercase. Let's sort of take a look at it and break it down. So we have an equal with an open curly bracket. So what we're doing there is building an array literal. And when we do that, we can use a single formula because we're using the array literals to give us the title, convert to upper in the header. And then an array formula, we're using an if len, and that is a check to see if column B is blank. If it's not blank. So if you take a look at this, if column B is not blank, then we're going to use this formula. And what this formula does, let's start in the REGEXEXTRACT. It's going to look at B2B, it's going to look in this column, and it's going to extract everything before the @ symbol. And that's going to give us your name, and then we're going to convert that to upper, and then we're going to concatenate the rest of your domain name so that we can rebuild that email address with the names all in upper. Now, the converse might be true. In this example, I had shared that some of these email addresses coming in are all upper, some are lower. And if you wanted to convert them either to upper or lower, all you would change in this formula is the word, you can see, upper, lower. Now, I wanted to just show why we use the if statement, the if len statement, and that's this right here. If I just have the formula lower REGEXEXTRACT and then concatenate your domain, notice that that's going to repeat all the way down as we go down through the multiple rows in this column. And I don't want that to happen, which is why I use the if len, because this if statement then checks to see if column B is blank, or basically if it's not blank. And then it uses this as the true statement, and then the comma would basically, after the comma, should be showing us our false statement. So that's one way you could convert your email addresses.